Hi there, my name is Alfonso Guzman Huerta. I am recording from Texcoco. My teacher is Karina Guadalupe Diaz Pedrosa. My class is Observation and Research in the Classroom Context. I'm going to talk about some issues in research in the classroom context. To start with, research is a careful and detailed study into specific problem using the scientific method. The research in English language teaching, when we are teaching English, it's important to research, to observe, and reflect on our teaching methods. By doing this, we can improve our classes and make teaching more interesting. There are some issues in collecting data. For example, the first one is triangulation. Triangulation is the way in we analyze the data collecting. And for example, triangulation data that is about a specific situation, but in different moments when the researcher collect the information. The investigator triangulation is when there are more than 2 or 3 researchers analyzing the same situation in a classroom or even in other contexts. Another issue is the methodological triangulation. When we consider some methods to analyze the data, there are 2 or 3 methods to analyze data in this triangulation. Also, theoretical research triangulation that refers to take into account 2 or 3 approaches in the analysis of the data. And finally, the multiple triangulation that mixes different theories in the analysis of data. Another issue in collecting data is the concept of reliability, which refers to how consistently a method measures something. If the same result can be consistently achieved by using the same methods under the same circumstances, the measurement is considered reliability. A concept which is linked with reliability is the concept of validity. In data collections means that your findings truly represent the phenomenon you are claiming to measure. The last issue in research and collecting data is the concept of generalizability. It can be defined as the extension of research findings and conclusions from a study conducted on the same sample of population to the population at large. This refers to, for example, to say that if I collect data in EPO 235, I expected to my conclusions could be applicable to EPO 142, for example. When we have collected all the data, the next step is the analyzing the information, analyzing data. Data analysis is a process of expecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusions, and supporting decision making. In analysis of data, we have, for example, quantitative research, which can be summarized, and qualitative research that I think is the most difficult analysis process, involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data, for example, text, video, or audio, to understand concepts, opinion, or experiences. It can be used to gather in-depth insights into the problem or generate new ideas for research. In the field of research, I think the main source in the field of the English as a second language motivations, the questionnaires has been the major research methodology. In this type of research, we as our researchers or the designated personnel, in many cases we are the designated person, we usually collect data from our classrooms, and we use as a main tool the questionnaire. Well, with this I'm finished my video. Thank you very much for watching, and it was a pleasure work with you. See you soon. I hope to see you in the next period. Thank you very much for everything.